All right, y'all. So we got some bread. Now we are looking for water. Hopefully we can find some water.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carter, and we're back with another banger. And today we're going on vacation. But before we get headed, make sure you give us a fat thumbs up and hit that bell and subscribe. Now let's say what's good with the family. Like, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Waya.
What's up? What's good, y'all? It's your boy Quiz.
What's good? It's your girl Nicole.
It's your boy Keith's in the building. Yeah, I can't be too engaged. I got to drive and focus on where I'm going. But y'all get me. We on a road trip. Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all, something's wrong with him. Seriously. But y'all, right now we are on a road trip and we are headed out. Let us show y'all what we got to go through right now.
Yes.
Do y'all see that?
Winter
Y'all
Storm
see that?
2025.
We are in the middle of a winter storm.
Really ain't a winter storm. It's just snow.
We are in the middle of a winter storm and it is getting bad out here. So for all y'all that's out here, make sure y'all be safe.
Please.
We packing up. We getting ready to head up out of here. Go on a slight road trip. And look what we got. Ooh.
Got a lot of snow, y'all.
It's snowing, y'all. It's snowing. No, we didn't get that white winter that we wanted, but we got that snow. You see that? It is coming down, y'all. It is coming.
Look at this.
Carter, what you think, man? What you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yes. When we
Uh-huh.
probably get home, we probably can do snow angels
Snow angels, man.
and snowmans.
Look, I need you to zip your jacket up, dude. Put on some shoes. Yes. Like you out here in Crocs.
Ah, what's the problem?
You know Crocs, man. What's up?
Oh.
Squeeze this out.
He want me to squeeze some Carmax, y'all. Good. Like he can't do it himself.
Is the snow in my head?
No. So, all right, y'all. So here we go. We packed up. We ready to go. We about to fire this thing up. We finna be doing some snow driving. A little bang, bang, bang. So, y'all, sit in and travel with us, man. We finna turn up for the weekend. We finna have us a ball. Show y'all where we at. So, till next time. Bow.
Look, y'all.
Look what came, y'all. My friend.
All the snow.
My snow. Look at this, y'all.
All right, y'all. So we had to get out to come and get some supplies before we are snowed in. Do y'all see this? It is terrible out here. I have to walk slow. Woo! Y'all, I'm walking slow so I do not fall and bust my butt out here. Oh man. Ooh. Carter, let's go this way. Oh my goodness, y'all. So much going on. Hopefully they have something left. Oh yeah, they got bread. Hopefully they got water. This way, Carter.
This way.
We gotta get bread. No. Yeah. Right here, Carter?
Oh, here. No.
No.
Get some Gatorade just in case.
Okay, we'll get some Gatorades. I don't know if everyone's gonna drink Gatorade, Carter. Come, let's go to the next aisle. Y'all look at them. They have water. I'm not picky on the flavor of water. Yes, I am. I'm lying. We're gonna get this one.
How many?
You gotta let Quay help you. All right, y'all. We got. She is literally in the surveillance camera looking, y'all. All right.
Okay, guys, here we are. We're at the house. Everybody say what's good.
What's good?
Look at that. Where? Where? Oh. Huh?
Close the door.
Look, y'all.
Door.
Look, y'all. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. We had to walk all the way over here. Look. Look at the snow. Huh? And a balcony.